How to screen record on iPhone with audio. You can screen record on your iPhone with audio, both internal sounds and microphone using the built-in screen recording tool, and here is how to do it. First of all, drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen for the newer iPhones, and for the older one, swipe up from the bottom. Now, once you're inside the control center, press and hold the screen recording button, then tap the microphone on so it turns red. Then tap start recording. A 3-second countdown begins and the iPhone is now recording screen and the audio. With microphone on, it records external audio like your voice and all, but with microphone off, it records internal system audio from the app video you are using if allowed. So tap the red status bar or peel at the top of your screen, confirm stop, or go to control center and tap on the screen recording icon again. The video will be saved to your Photos app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.